Hi kids! Please take a look at page 2, and here we got the problems about relating multiplication to repeated additions, which is keep counting on. So take a look at the problems below. Jules is playing a game during math club. Jules' teacher described the color blocks or the color tile arrays by calling out the number of rows and the number of blocks in each row. Then one child finds the total number of blocks in the array. So how can Jules use the number of rows and the number of blocks in each row to find the number of blocks in all when it is his turn? Okay, so take a look at the examples below. So here we got some blocks, and here we need to find the total number of blocks, and we need to circle the number sentence that matches the blocks. Okay, so here we got 3 rows of blocks. In the first row, how many blocks are there? Yes, there are 3 blocks. How about the second row? Yes, also 3. And in the third row, how many blocks are there? Yes, 3 also. And then how can we find the total number of blocks? We just need to add the number of blocks in each row together, which is 3 plus 3 plus 3. And the answer is 9, so option C is correct. Okay, and then we move on to page 3. So we need to find the patterns of 2. That means we need to skip counting by 2. So the first number is 2, and then 2 steps forward, it is 4. And then 2 steps forward, it will be 6. And then is 8. And then is 10. And then 2 steps forward is 12. And then is 14. And then 16. And then 18. And then 20. And then 2 steps forward, it becomes 22. And then 2 steps forward, it is 24. 2 steps forward, 26. And then 28. And then 30. And then 2 steps forward, becomes 32, 34, 36, 38, and 40. So these are the numbers in the patterns of 2 from 1 to 40. And then we take a look at the pattern of 5. That means we need to skip counting by 5. So the first number will be number 5. And then 5 steps forward, it is 10. And then 5 steps forward, it is 15. And then it is 20. And then 5 steps forward, 25. And then it is 30. And then 5 steps forward, it is 35. And then it is 40. So what is the next number? Yes, it is 45. And then it is 50. And then 5 steps forward is 55. And then is 60. And then is 65. And then is 70. And then is 75. 80. 85. 90. And then is 95. And at last 100. Oh, you find all the numbers in patterns of 5. And then we're going to find the patterns of 10, which means we need to skip counting by 10. So the first number should be 10. And then 10 steps forward is 20. And then is 30. And then is 40. And then is 50. And then is 60. 70. 80. 90. And the last one is 100. So these are the numbers in the patterns of 10. Okay, and then we take a look at page 4. How many rows are there in the first picture? Yes, 3 rows. How many blocks in each row? Yes, 4 blocks. So what is the total number of blocks? Yes, it will be 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12. So 3 rows of 4 blocks is 12 blocks. And then we take a look at the next pictures. How many rows are there in all? Yes, there are 5 rows. And then there are 2 blocks in each row, so the total number of blocks will be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 10. 5 rows of 2 blocks is 10 blocks. Okay, so take a look at page 7. Look at the pictures and answer the questions below. Okay, so take a look at question 1. Here we got 5 $1. So how much is 5 $1? It will be 1 times 5, which is $5. So 5 times of 1 is 5. Okay, next question, question 2. There is one $5, so how much is it? Yes, 5 times 1 is 5. It is $5, so 1 times of 5 is 5. Next questions. So how many drinks are there? Okay, so in each row there are 5 drinks, and here we got 4 rows of drinks. So what is the total number? It will be 5 times 4. We can do it by skip counting. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 5 times 4 equals to 20, and 4 times of 5 is 20. Next question, how many puddings are there? So in each row there are 3 puddings, and there are 3 rows. So it would be 3 times 3, which is 9. 9 puddings are there. Okay, take a look at page 8. Find the answer and also use additions to do multiplication. Question 1. In the blue bracelet, there are 3 beads, and in the red bracelet, there are also 3 beads. So how many beads are there? It will be 3 times 2, which is 6. By using additions, it will be 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Next, in the blue bracelet, there are 6 beads. In the red bracelet, there are 6 beads. So 6 times 2 equals to 12. By using additions, it will be 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Next question, in the blue bracelet, there are 7 beads. In the red bracelet, also 7 beads. So 7 times 2 equals to 14, or you can write 7 plus 7 equals to 14. Next question, in both of the bracelets there are 8 beads, so 8 times 2 equals to 16. Or you can use additions, 8 plus 8 equals to 16. Next questions, there are 9 beads in each bracelet, so 9 times 2 equals to 18, or you can use additions, 9 plus 9 equals to 18. For the last question, please try to finish by yourself at home for your practices. Okay, so take a look at page 13. Question 1. How many balls are there? In each basket, there are 5 balls. So how many baskets are there? Yes, 2 baskets. So how many balls are there? It will be 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 equals to 10. Because 2 times of 5 is 10. So there are 10 balls. Next, there are 5 balls in each basket, and there are 3 baskets. So 5 times 3, which is equals to 15. There are 15 balls. Next question. So each basket has 5 balls, and there are 4 baskets. So it will be 5 times 4. 5 times 4 equals to 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, it's 20. So 4 times of 5 is 20. Next, there are 5 baskets. So 5 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5 times of 5 is 25. Next question. So there are 6 baskets. So 5 times 6. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5 times 6 is 30. For the last question, please try to finish at home. And then we take a look at page 18. Write the missing informations. So in the table, we have to know the number of logs and also the number of frogs per log. And then we need to write the additions equations, multiplications equation, and also the total number of frogs. First questions, there are 2 logs, and on each log there are 3 frogs. So what is the total number of frogs? The addition equations will be 3 plus 3 equals to 6, and the multiplication equations is 2 times 3 equals to 6, so the total number is 6. And then we need to do the second question. There are 3 logs, and on each log there are 2 frogs, so it will be 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 6. For the multiplication equation, it will be 3 times 2 equals to 6, so the total number is 6. And then there are 4 logs. On each log there are 3 frogs, so the additions equations will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So what is the answer? Yes, it equals to 12. And then the multiplication equation will be 4 times 3 equals to 12, and the total number is 12. Next question, there are 4 logs, and there are 4 frogs on each log. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 16. Or the multiplications, 4 times 4 equals to 16, and the total number is 16. Next questions, there are 5 logs, but we don't know the number of frogs per log. But it is 5 times 3. That means there are 3 frogs per log. In addition, it is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is equals to 15. Multiplication sentence will be 5 times 3 equals 15, and the total number is also 15. Next question, the addition equation is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 5 times of 4, so there are 5 logs. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 20. So 5 times 4 also equals to 20. Next questions, there are 6 logs and the total number of frogs is 18. So suppose there are 3 frogs on each log. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Oh, it equals to 18. So there are 3 frogs per log because 6 times 3 equals to 18. For the last question, kids, please try to finish by yourself at home.